Hello friends, welcome to Present Perfect Studio. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain you how you can create this timeline infographics from scratch. So this is a infographic timeline infographics. I have added animations to it. I can show you the real-time presentation. So this is the slide we have. Now I'm going to insert a new slide. So go to insert, new slide, and I'm going to insert a blank slide. We are going to set the background to dark color. After that, we are going to introduce one rectangle shape and we are going to keep it to the left of the slide. And I am going to change the color to this and I am going to remove the outer. I am going to insert a text box and I am going to type in timeline infographics. And I'm going to bold the text and changing the font color to white. And I am aligning the text box to the middle of the rectangle shape. So now I am going to insert the wheel from the icons. So icons are available in Microsoft 365. You can type in wheel and you can insert. So we are going to change the color of this to white. So I am going to keep it here. So the next thing we need is the arc, and I am going to insert the arc. Now I am going to align both of this to center and middle. Now I am going to increase the arc size so that it covers well above the V, and I am going to change the color to white, and I am going to increase the thickness to 6 points. So I am going to keep it like this. Also something like this. We can increase a bit more and we can group and shrink it further. We can change the color to something like this, and we're going to insert a text box for the ear. So these ears are done. So I'm going to change the font color to white and I am going to align it to the middle of the wheel. And on the right hand side, we are going to insert another text box. No, it's a placeholder for dummy text, and I am going to insert another line, and it covers to this. Change the color to white. Keep it like this. Also extend this somehow like this. After that, we can just duplicate this and place it like this. You can adjust the angle using the yellow handle, and also for this, and we need to position it so that covers the ending of the previous one. So I'm going to keep it like this. We need to make sure that the angle stays closer. So once we have done that, we can adjust the angle here so that it occupies exactly the previous one. Now we can adjust the positions of the ear and also the position of the place of the text box and the line. You can move this to somewhat right hand side, and we are going to change the color for this one to this. Now we can duplicate this and place it like this. You can adjust this. You can adjust the text to this. The also change the color. Slightly we can adjust the yellow. We can change the color to this. Now so that change to some other color. Now we can adjust the gears. Okay. Okay. So once we have all the elements created, now we can go for the animation part. So in the animation, what we are going to do is we are trying to use a wheel animation to the wheel and the arc around it, and the appear animation for the ears, and then for wipe animation for the place of the text on the line covering it. So let me go to the animation pan. Now I'm going to select the ear. So it will be up here. I'm going to start with the previous option, and then I'm going to select the wheel and the arc around it. I'm going to use the wheel option. So it will be after previous. We can open the animation pane so that we can see what is happening. And for the arc and also the wheel, I want both of them to happen at the same time. So I'm going to change this to start with previous. After that, I'm going to select the line and the place of the text box, and I'm going to select the animation called wipe. So I want the wipe to happen from the left. So we can just go for the so yes, we need to select the after previous, and for this it will be with previous. So again we can go to slideshow to check our, yes, it works fine. Now we can check the next. Similarly, I'm going to set the year for the appear after previous. I'm going to select the wheel and the arc around it. Going to select the wheel animation after previous. And for this, we are going to set with previous. And select the place of the text and the line, and you can use the wipe animation, and this time it should be from right. You can check the animation happening in the slideshow. For this, after previous, and for this with previous. Similarly, I'm going to do the same for the remaining. So now we have applied the same animation to remaining elements. Now we can check whether all of them working fine. I can go to the presentation mode. Yes, friends, this is how you can create the beautiful timeline presentations using simple shapes available in PowerPoint. And if you have any business requirement regarding your business presentation to make, you can contact us in our website called Present Perfect Studio. Thank you, friends. Please share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you, guys.